Good morning, guys. So yesterday was a very busy schedule for us as we had some multiple shoots here while coming to Baripada, and today now the time is 6:30 a.m. Plans for today is earlier we wanted to stay here just for a night and were planning to head back to Bhubaneswar, but I heard a lot of sightseeing places are here which are really unexplored. So we have extended our stay for another night. We just booked the room right now, and the next category of room what we have booked is the suite room. So we'll be checking into our room during the day, and now we have plans of going for breakfast. And post breakfast, we'll be visiting the Sitakund waterfall. This Sitakund waterfall is named after the goddess Sita. So it is located around half an hour drive from this Belgadia Palace. Post that, there are some temples, which is the Kiching Temple and Jagannath Temple, which we also plan to explore, but we are not pretty sure whether it's open during this lockdown period. And if time permits and if it's open, we also have plans of visiting there. And during the day, we also have plans of visiting a horticulture nursery, because my dad wanted some saplings of jackfruit and pineapple, and here you get the best of qualities. So that place is around 1.5 hour drive from here. If is possible, we will also be visiting there. So see you guys. So now we are leaving for this Sitakund waterfall, and just going to exit the palace. So here we are passing by the Jagannath Temple of Baripada. There are some construction work of chariot being done because the Rath Yatra is coming close. The temple is closed right now because of the weekend shutdown, and thereby we are not able to go inside. We just reached Sitakund waterfall, and we have parked our vehicle there because the vehicle is not allowed inside. It's a small narrow road ahead, and from here it's around 200-250 meters, which is at a walkable distance. So let us have a view at the waterfall.
ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ହେଉଛି ୟାର ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ପିତା ଆଳୁ। ଏଡ଼େ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ସେ ସାରୁ ଯେମିତି ଫଳେ ନା ଗୋଟେ ମୁଣ୍ଡିରେ ଏତେ ଗୁଡ଼େ ଫଳେ, ୟାର ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ସେମିତି ଫଳିଥିବ, ହେଲା କି? ସେ ଫଳିଥିବ ଯେ ସେଟାକୁ ଘରକୁ ନେବ, ତାକୁ ଉବାଲିବ, ଚୁପା ଛିଲିବ, ତାକୁ ଦିନେ ସିଝେଇବ, ଯେଉଁ ଚୁଲିର କାଠ ଜଳାଇ ଖାର ପାଉଁଶ ଦେହରେ ତାକୁ ବୋଳିକିରି ନେଇକିରି ନଦୀରେ ଥୁଆ ହେବ, ଦେଇକିରି ଆଣିକି ଖାଇବ। ପିତା ଖାଇବ, ପିତା ଆଳୁ। ଜିନିଷଟା କ'ଣ ଜାଣିବେ?
ସେଇଟା ତ ଜାଣିବାର ଅଛି ନା।
ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ଏଇ ଗଛ କେତେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଭାଷାରେ କହନ୍ତି ସାରୁ, ଏଟା କହନ୍ତି ଆମର ଗାଡ୍ରି ଶାଗ। ଏଇ ପତ୍ର ଗୁଡ଼ା ନେଇକି ଖିଆ ହବ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
ଘରେ ଆମ୍ବୁଲ ଥିବ, କଇଁଆ ତେନ୍ତୁଳି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି, ପକେଇକି ରୋଷେଇ ହବ, ବେଲେ ବେଲେ ଖାଇଦେବେ। ନିରୋଗୀ ଗଛଟା, ୟାର ହଉଛି ଗାଡ୍ରି ଶାଗ।
ଏଇଟାର ଯୋଉ ଲୋକାଲ ମଦଟାର ଗଛଟା ନାଁ କ'ଣ?
ମହୁଲ ଗଛ।
ମହୁଲ ଗଛ।
ମହୁଲ ଗଛ।
ତା ଗଛଟା କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିବା?
ଏଟା ପରା, ଏଟା ଏଇ ଗଛଟା, ଏଟା ବଡ଼ ଗଛଟା।
ଏଇଟା?
ହଁ, ଏଇଟା ମହୁଲ ଗଛଟା। ଏଥିରୁ ଫୁଲଟା ହଉଛି ମହୁଲ, ତା ଫଳଟା ହଉଛି ଟୁଲ। ଟୁଲରୁ ତେଲ ହୁଏ, ଯୋଉଟା ଘିଅ ଫିଅ ବଢିଆ ଦେଖାଯାଏ ତେଲ। ଆଉ ମହୁଲ ଫୁଲରୁ ଗୁଡ଼ ହୁଏ, ମହୁଲ ଫୁଲରୁ ଔଷଧ ତିଆରି ହୁଏ, ମହୁଲ ଫୁଲରୁ ମଦ ତିଆରି ହୁଏ। ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଗରିବ ଗୁରୁକା ଖାଇବାକୁ ନ ପାଇଲେ ମହୁଲକୁ ସିଝେଇକିରି ବି ଭକ୍ଷଣ କରିକି ଖାଆନ୍ତି, ମିଠା ଲାଗିବ।
ये आदिवासी संस्था अछि ए भितरे
हाँ से बाटे अछन
हां
ए घाटी
केते
से
जण
पार
रहउछन एडी
बाजी गला बाजी गला
एके तम गां में त केते जण रहउछन
देखी
हां
के साई अछि
আচ্ছা এই মাউসিটা পয়সা না তার কার ঘর বুটটা হাটা মারি নিজে নিজে মা বদা আইলে কেটি মাটি চসনি না আইলে বলি কেটি পাইলি এই দিশা চালা টিকা আমি টিকে চাকি গিলা সাকেতে হলা ও এই টিকে কর দেশি না
পান্ডিয়া রসে
নাই মোহলি দেশি স্যার মোহলি মোহলি তো আইলে
we are returning back to the palace from Sivakund and while we were passing we just found a local drink called mohli. So let me taste this local
How does it taste?
the moment I had this a drink it was so strong that the water were just shedding from my eyes.
মোহলিটা কেমতি প্রস্তুত ହୁଏ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରୁ ଅଣାଯାଏ ମହୁଲ ଗଛରୁ ଖରାରେ ଶୁଖିଆ ହୁଏ ତାକୁ ପୁଣି ରଖାଯାଏ ତାକୁ ପୁଣି ବାଡେଇକିରି ତାଠୁ ନାସି ସବୁ ବାହାର କରାଯାଏ ରଖି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଶୁଖାଯାଏ ଯେବେ ସେ ମହୁଲଟାକୁ ମୋହୁଲି ମତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତିଆରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତାର ମାନେ ଇଏ କରାଯାଏ ଆୟୋଜନ କରାଯାଏ ତ ବାଖର ସେଟାକୁ ଆମର ଓଡିଆରେ କହୁଛୁ ବଟିକା ବା ମଳିକିଆ କହୁଛୁ ମଳିକାଟା କୋଉଥିରୁ ତିଆରି ଜଙ୍ଗଲର 3 ପ୍ରକାର ଘାସ তিন কলেকশন করিকি তাকে খরারে ছাইরে শুকা হব ছাইরে শুকাইকি তাকে চুনা কুটা হব হেমদস্তার কুটা হব বলা তারপরে অরুয়া চাউল তাকে ভিজাইকি চুনা কুটা হব তারপরে সম পরিমাণরে যে তৈরি করছি সেই হি তার ভাগ মাপ জানিছি সেই তৈরি করিব ছাইরে শুকাইব সব গুলি তৈরি করিব গুলি বটিকা তারপরে যেবে মহুলটা শুকি গলা তারপরে পানি অଣା হব মাটি হাঁড়ি অଣା হব তারপরে সে বাখরକୁ মিশিকি কিলে মহুলরে 3টা বটিকা দিয়াଯିବ তার ভাগ ଅଛି তারপরে তাকে পানিরে ভিজাইকি রখিদিয়া ঢম্পেইকি রখিদিয়া সে 7 দিন তক পচিব সে মহুল
7 দিন লাগিব
7 দিন তক পচিব এ দাদা কাকি ভরসি না হাঁডিয়া কা আগে এ হাঁডিয়া বুঝছো না জানি পাইলে হাঁডিয়াটা কিম জিনিসটা হেলা
Rice with teriuch.
হ্যাঁ মদর হাঁডিয়া চাউল তিরিছি
We are going inside to find a local honey and yeah this gentleman we found this gentleman while we're going back to the palace. Let's see the local honey.
बस नहीं तो मैडम अच्छी नहीं तो चटन तो
So we are procuring 1 kilo of the local honey. How lovely they are weighing this 1 kilo of honey with the stones and this is really lovely.
देना हरिया टेस्ट को मैं कहता है बिक्री कर देंगे आपको अभी तो सस्ता बनेगा खाना
So we have come here to taste the local beer named rice beer Handia, the name Handia. So let's taste.
हाँ बढ़िया दे दे दे
तो चिटके दरकार मैं इतना नहीं
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
हाँ वो गोटे ही दियो
ସେ ମତେ ଦଉଛି ସେଟା
हाँ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏଇଟା ଦେ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଧା ଦିଅ ରସି ଟାଳିଥିଲ ଆଗରୁ ନା
ରସି ସରି ଯାଇଛି
ନାଇଁ ଯେ ରସି ଏଠୁ ଟାଳିଥିଲ ତାହେଲେ ବନେଇଲେ ଗବ ବୋଧେ
କେ ଗଲ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ
ଟିକେ 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 ଏତେ ନାହିଁ ମୋ
This is for stomach filling.
You can see this is the local beer.
आदिवासी ड्रिंक्स
It's a Adivasi drink which they say
हांडिया
it's Handia.
चकणा
So we have Chakna with us, with this local beer. It tastes like a fermented yogurt, and yeah, it's nice.
ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ଭାଇ। ଏ ମାଉସୀ ତମର ଘରେ ରସି ଅଛି କି ଗୋ ରସି ହାଣ୍ଡିଆ ରସି କେଠି ମିଳିଆ ପଛାରେ ନା ଆଗିଲା ଆଡେ ଅଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ଆଗିଲା ଆଡେ ସେଇ ବାଟରେ ଗୋଟେ ବସିଥିଲା ଡେକ୍ଚି ଧରିକି ସେଇଟା ବି ବିକୁଛି ନା ହଁ ହଁ ହଉ ଠିକ।
So this is another local hard drink named Rassi. So see, this is white and it's like a coconut water, but then basically this is Rassi. So they gave me some chakna for this
After
drink.
this drink.
Okay. There's no salt in it, and I think that's the reason in this chakna they have it's bit of spicy and salty. There's a reason so that it can give a mix of
All flavors.
all flavors. So आप दिनों को कितने बनोचो कितने लीटर बनोचो हाँ 10 लीटर सो अच्छा इटा कौन पे पियोंती हाँ
This gets us to the end of our lovely memories during this vlog. Stay tuned to our next upcoming video where we shall showcase the lovely artifacts from a village near Baripada. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on our next upcoming videos. Till then, take care and keep exploring.